Our grounds consist of 127 acres of land, which formerly was a swamp, and thanks to all the dredging of the harbor, became this industrial site. You'll notice to the right 2 wind turbines installed in March 2010, making Barcardi the first company in Puerto Rico to establish a type of energy-saving system, setting an example and a bold statement of our commitment with the environmental stewardship of the island. They supply 3 to 7% of the distillery's demand, which power up the pavilion area and the visitor center, saving us about $75,000 a year in electric bills. If you'd like to learn more info about our wind turbines, there's a sign placed back at the pavilion area. Now that I mentioned the pavilion, is to your left side has an abstract shape of a bat in flight, designed by the architect Felix Candela in the early 60s. Maybe you won't see the bat flying, but after a couple of cocktails, I assure you, you'll see that bad boy flying. To your right, you'll see our executive offices. If you wonder if family members still work at the Barcardi company, well, the answer is yes. The company is still family-owned and run by the 5th generation. The family has around 500 members from the 5th, 6th, and 7th generation. Talking about the family, the next building to the right is the Barcardi Museum. Through those doors is a special blend aged from 19 to 23 years. It was launched in 2012 to commemorate the 150th anniversary. A very limited amount was made, and the bottles that are given to the family were sold each for $2,000. As we make the turn to the right side, you'll notice Project Hercules. The building was made with recycled materials. Here the master blender makes 85% of the Barcardi rum sold worldwide. 14% is made in Mexico and only 1% in India. Between the buildings, you will see our stainless steel and copper distillation columns, and with the barrels of prepared